As an overweight child, I was always ridiculed for my weight. My early journey of fitness was always conflicting between the knowledge I received from my trainers and my nutritionist. Then one day, life for me changed completely when I met with a terrible road accident, and it took me many months to overcome my medical challenges. My real empirical understanding started strengthening along with my research on this subject after I launched my brand 48 Fitness, where I could see that all the fitness enthusiasts are looking for that one size fits all magic formula diet, something that doesn't exist. Hi, my name is Vijay Thakkar, and my book, Eating Less is Making You Fat, is the culmination of my struggles, my search for the excellence, and the constant need to research and help people around me with health knowledge that is validated by scientific facts. From an unfit youngster to a celebrity functional medicine expert, my book launches my Moonshot to build a world which is healthy and fit, one person at a time. I want to take on this critical mission, and my journey has just begun.